Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place. Check your iPhone is updated and both parent and child have Apple ID with family sharing enabled. Once done, open the App Store and download the Parental Control app you picked. Make sure to grant basic permissions when prompted, notifications, location, and screen time integration, because these let the app monitor activity and enforce limits. You're now ready to open the app and follow its guided setup screens to link devices and create a child profile. Now you proceed to link the child's iPhone. Use the app's linking code, accept a family sharing invite, or sign in with the child's Apple ID. Once connected, set core controls, daily screen time, downtime schedules, and app limits. Next, configure content filters for web, explicit content, and age-appropriate app categories. This reduces exposure to unsuitable material. Finally, enable location sharing and communication rules so you can manage contacts and view device location. Make sure permissions persist in settings for accurate enforcement. To finish, verify the system works. Try accessing a blocked app or website on the child's iPhone and confirm the restriction or alert triggers. If everything responds, customize durations and exceptions so rules feel fair. You can add temporary allowances for homework or special events. If something goes wrong, first reboot both iPhones, confirm internet connectivity, update the Parental app and iOS, and reauthorize permissions in settings, especially screen time and VPN or device management, because most sync issues come from revoked permissions or outdated software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.